Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, we talk about knitting, crochet and other crafts. And I was at the yarn store the other day and I found these really cool yarns. They are really thick and they have like this material inside. So I thought that I could crochet the bag with this, and actually I already did one. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys. I think it's really cute. So I wanted something really small. I still have to weave in these ends, but yeah, I added these two things so I can close the bag. So this is how it looks without these. And I also did this bigger strap so I can use this across. And yeah, then I can close with this. And I also bought these really cool things that I don't know the name actually, so I can attach or just take these off and just wear it like this. So yeah, but because I still have the pink yarn, I'm going to show you how you can crochet one. So I think this is really easy and quick and it's fun actually, so let's get into it. So guys, to start we are going to do a magic ring or a magic circle. So you just wrap your yarn across these two fingers and then you will insert the hook and then you twist and do a single crochet. And then we are going to do 6 single crochets around this circle. At the end, do a slip stitch to join the work. And then you want to pull the yarn so you can close the circle. So chain 1, and we are going to single crochet on the next stitch and then do 2 single crochets in the same stitch, and then we are going to repeat this until the end of the row. So when you get to the end, do a slip stitch and then chain 1. We are going to repeat these steps again for 2 more rows. So this is how it should look, and we are going to do the last row of the base. So chain 1 and then do single crochets until you get to the end. So here we don't have increases, so just 1 single crochet in each stitch. Then again at the end of the row, slip stitch, and then you can cut the yarn. Here I'm just going to hide this end so it doesn't mess anything. So we are going to start to shape the body, so we are going to pull the yarn through. And then usually I give a knot just to make sure. Insert the hook again and then pull through the yarn. Don't do this too tight like I did. So chain 1, and now we are just going to do single crochet all around and do the slip stitch at the end. So repeat this 2 more times. And this is how it should look like. Now chain 2, and we are going to start the double crochet rows. So double crochet all the way around, and at the end, as you know, do the slip stitch. And you want to repeat these 3 more times. This is too big now, but this is how it should look like, and we are going to start the straps. So for the smallest strap, chain 16, and when you have the 16 stitches, you want to pick up the stitch next to the middle stitch. Do a slip stitch. This is because we are going to turn our work and we are going to pick up the middle stitch and the other side stitch. So do a slip stitch on the middle and then a slip stitch on the side. Now we have those 2 and we are going to double crochet. So when you get to the last stitch, yarn over, pull through the yarn, and then in the middle stitch you will pull through the yarn again and then pull through the 2 loops, so 1 and 2, and then for the side stitch pull through the yarn and then pull through the 2 loops again, and then you can cut the yarn and weave the ends. I'm sorry about the mess, but this looks cute. This is the first time that I'm making one of these, so probably it could use some improves, but for now that's what we have. I think it looks cute, at least. So I bought these things that I don't know the name, and I pulled the yarn through because this was too small. And then I give a knot because I'm a freak and I don't want everything to just unravel. So yeah, then again pull the yarn through so you can insert the hook, and yeah, now do a single crochet. And for this is the biggest strap, and I chain 64. Again, don't do this too tight like I did because you are going to struggle. So when you get to the end, pull through the yarn and do the slip stitch. And then you are going to chain 1, and we are going to work with single crochet all the way. So when you get to the end, you pull the yarn through again. I know I'm struggling. And then you do the slip stitch. Then you can just weave in the ends, and yeah, everything should be ready. So I didn't crochet any attach thing to put this, so I just pick up stitches here. Yeah, that was what I did, and this is how it looked like, and yeah, it's ready. And this is the other one, it looks nice too. So guys, this is the final result, and I would say to add a lining because with the things that we put inside it can stretch a little bit, so the lining would help on this. But for now I just have like this, and I'm not thinking to put nothing heavy here. So yeah, I hope that you like this video. If you have any suggestions or any doubts about the tutorial, just let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. So guys, I forgot to tell you that I'm writing a pattern for this. I never did one, so this is the first time, so don't expect something really fancy and really nice. Yeah, as always, I'm going to put this or on the description of the video or maybe on a post, so I will let you guys know. And of course, if you have any suggestions and improvements, I really appreciate you guys, so feel free to tell me something. And yeah, I hope that you like it.